Hello, this is Chris Matthews with SUSI Adapters. Today I'm going to show you how to change out an old antiquated switchboard meter from GE and replace it with an Eaton PXM 1000 meter in a SUSI adapter. First of all, just remove the old cover, and then you can throw that away. You won't need that again. And then remove the paddle. By removing the paddle, you short the CTs, so you can actually do this without turning the power off if you choose to. But anyway, save this. You'll need this in about 1 minute. Unlatch the meter from the top and the bottom, slide the old meter out, throw that away. You won't need that again. Take the new Eaton meter in the SUSI adapter and make sure the latches are open. Slide it in, latch at the top and the bottom. Take the original paddle, which unshorts the CTs, which puts the meter in the circuit, and take the cover that comes with the adapter, injection molded cover, and just attach that. And there you have it, in 2 minutes. Where there was an old antiquated GE meter, now you have an Eaton PXM 1000.